I have to say I came out of business school in the early 90s and just really wanted to get into a good corporate training program. My background was actually history and art history, so I hadn't had the maybe accounting and business background that some of my colleagues did, so I thought it was really important to get into a good training program, and went to work for a Nations Bank down in Charlotte, North Carolina that put me through a 3-year training program. And it was after that they asked me to move to New York and join this brand new group called the Financial Sponsors Coverage Group. And so I moved to New York not really knowing what private equity was at the time, but joined up with a team when we were calling on financial sponsors, private equity groups, to deliver the bank's balance sheet, so high-yield bonds, leveraged loans, mezzanine, as they were buying companies and doing leverage buyouts. And so that was my first entree to, there's this private equity community that exists out there. And it was while I was in London that my now manager called me up, and who had remembered me from my banking days. He had been in a mid-market buyout firm, and told me he was starting this new group within Merrill Lynch, now BlackRock, and indicated he really wanted someone who had credit skills, as we were going to focus on co-investments within our platform, and really tried to delineate ourselves from some of our competitors by having a core competency in co-investments, which required understanding capital structures, understanding covenants, understanding bond indentures. So I was a little nervous. I said, I've never made a commitment to a private equity fund in my life, but he's like, I can teach you that. I just want to have the core competency and skill set on our team of credit. So we are the private equity solutions business inside of BlackRock Alternative Investors, so BAI. Our group focuses on helping institutional clients, public pension plans, private pension plans, endowments, foundations, family offices. We help provide a solution if they need more exposure to the private equity asset class. And so if you look at our platform today, we're about $26 billion of assets. About 30% of that is in customized solutions for investing in co-investments, working with our clients and to provide that co-investment exposure, and then 70% are in primary fund commitments and secondaries. Our team spends a lot of time on that to understand what we call our 4 Ps, the people, their process, their philosophy, and their performance, and how they all tie together, to understand as these funds continue to grow and raise more capital, that the right people are in place, they have the right investment philosophy, they're not straying from their process or how they've made money in the past, and that we believe that their historical performance will be representative of hopefully their future performance. First and foremost, you need the right skill set on the team to be able to understand and analyze the value drivers and the investment thesis that a general partner is putting forth as how they're going to drive value in that investment. Our goal in the co-investment world is to have a pipeline and a deal funnel that's as broad as possible, and then have a investment process that's robust, disciplined, everyone knows it, so that we can whittle down that opportunity set as expeditiously and efficiently as possible, to then have the team focused on those opportunities that we think are most attractive and have the highest likelihood of getting through our approval process.